Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Weld wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one bad boy out. This is the Ventura in the new finish. It's machined silver. So check this one out. Come close. It's a 22 by 8.5. 50127 is the bolt pattern. Offsets +6, 78 is the center bore, and it's gloss silver machined. But if you ever shop for this wheel, make sure to shop this part number here for the front. S105-285-73500, and in the rear, the corresponding will be a 2210.5, 50127 for the OBSs, 13 offset, 78.1 the center bore, 13, like I said, 13 offset, 6.6¼ inch back spacing, same color gloss silver machined. Whenever you shop for this wheel, make sure to shop this part number, S105-205-73625. It'll take you straight to this wheel. I'll pop this guy open. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So check this guy out, and let me know what you guys think. So I'm gonna put this one down. So here, let's see. There you go. Get this out of the box, showcase it for you guys. Here you go. This is your 22 8.5 Ventura machined silver. So great looking style wheel, guys. I think goes well with any OBS. I think if you guys are looking for this wheel, they do come in black and machine, but this is the silver machine finish. Let me give you the lip size on this. So you're at, from the face of the wheel to the edge of the barrel, 3 inches. So there you go, that's the front. Has a billet style center cap, which is just a push through. Weld is on one of the corners. And let me showcase the rears for you. So this is the front, and then that way I give you the lip size on the rear. So I know the rear has a bigger lip than the front. And take this out of the box. Check it out. And I'm gonna open this one up. Here you go. So here's your 22 by 10.5. So great looking style, 10.5 as well. Same front and rear, 22 8.5, 22 10.5. And let me give you the lip size on this. Actually, let me take it out of the box. Here, hold on. So I'm gonna grab it, put the box right over there, and give you the lip size here. So that way you guys can see up close. So from the face to the edge of the barrel, you're at 3.5 inches. Almost 4, so 3 3/4. There you go. So 3 and 3 3/4 on the back. That way you see the lip sizes, guys. Great looking style for any of these OBS trucks. This is a great 5-on-127 setup. If you guys are interested in this Ventura or any well-designed wheel, don't hesitate. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.